Okay, so we got us a new mirror here. My daughter's going to be using this as a body mirror, but you could use it in the bathroom or above your sink or, you know, in the living room or something like that. She wanted it in here. She has this little tiny one that she's used to using whenever she gets ready and stuff like that. She wanted this bigger one. A brand sent me this to do a video over, so I thought it was a perfect opportunity to install this into her room. So I'm going to show you guys how it's installed, and we'll look at it right after. I did notice it has a really nice black trim on the outside. It pretty much comes in the box just like this with a piece of plastic over it, so you're not missing anything with the unboxing. And to install it, you can see what we're going to be doing is these outside holes, one here and one here, and then on the other side as well. And if you're going to be installing it horizontally, there's holes for that too, so you can install it any orientation that you want. But make sure you have it in the orientation that I have it in now if you're doing it vertically, because you want the hole, the round part of the hole, to be towards the floor, because it's going to hang, and you want the screw to be locking in and sliding up, not the other way around. So let's go ahead and get it installed. So I'm going to show you guys a little trick that I like to use whenever I'm installing these things. I'm going to go ahead and put this level right in the middle. It doesn't really matter where you mark it, because you're marking it on the level itself. But to guarantee that you do have it level, you want to mark it on the level and then put the holes later. We're going to put this right in the middle. So one little dot there. And then a little dot there. So now we know where our holes need to be, and we can get it perfectly level because we made the holes, we made the marks on a level itself. I'm going to go ahead and get this thing perfectly level. So you can see there, we got it perfectly level, and we know this dot's going to be here. You know, the other dot is going to be there. So we got our dot here, and we got our dot here, and that's going to be perfect. I'm going to do it on the bottom as well, and then we're going to go ahead and get it installed. Alright, so we got her installed now. So you can see my daughter's dirty bed now, but this thing's crystal clear, and it's a perfect size for a body mirror. She can sit here and get ready and everything like that. And it's nice and tall. She can see her shoes all the way to her head. She's a little bit shorter than me, so it'll be perfect height for her and the perfect size. And you can see how clear this thing is. And you can see how clear this thing is. Get all the way up close, all the way down to the bottom. Super clear. I'm Jace.